eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentra nigwa amavuta yani oil na wigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabati wigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye bwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora wikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwato korelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuri go musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha, kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Oirebya mwancho murigire Getembe TV nigo cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabono morogo bari tsikeriga ya Jumatatu tariki 13 nekine Ekeonga asenchera ere yobwenye muwaziri woborendi omoske soipantuya imambya rero nigo arabene umurobero bokulika abo bisaba yaba KDF kokoni mambya rero tuyani gateba umurobero yo nigo rache gokorekana asobwene no bwasyo kasaboria bakenya gokorra eken na tibaina na amakia chinga kichumurobero yo asesemene ni garuge kuregetini ko cyasibari baranyora bakwena na kibesa asomurobero yo.
Nationwide exercise commencing today, the 13th of October 2025, shall be conducted across all 47 counties over a 2-week period. The recruitment process is designed to be fair, transparent, and inclusive, ensuring that every qualified Kenyan is accorded an opportunity to serve. And I welcome the young men and women of Kenya who have shown interest in serving our country to turn out in large numbers for the exercise. Equally, the Ministry of Defense is fully aware of the concerns emanating from the wider public regarding the challenges that have marred past recruitment exercises. Allegations of corruption, fraud, and the exploitation of our young people and their families by imposters have been reported in the past. All reported cases, I'm happy to say, have been thoroughly investigated, and those found culpable have been dealt with in accordance with the law. Notably, past investigations have revealed that most of the reported cases did not involve members of the Kenya Defence Forces, but were perpetrated by individuals passing off as KDF leaders or members. It is unfortunate that innocent civilians have been duped, and most of them have lost, many Kenyans have lost money to such individuals. Accordingly, the Ministry of Defense is determined to protect Kenyans and to ensure that only merit guides entry into the Kenya Defence Forces. My message to Kenyans is simple. KDF recruitment is free. KDF recruitment is open. The KDF recruitment is transparent. And any attempts to influence the process by any party involved, be it parents, guardians, or candidates, will result in automatic disqualification and subsequent prosecution.
Chinga kiechecho mosketu yani goru kubolia gocha sebalia ba kurigia mabaga yoko ba KDF koba abekene na boyo kwana na masakara yakene anemono yetsemi mwaziri oyo ni gabolia basaya gwesokia sobonge no boremu eri kurigia mabaga yo yemiremo na boyo gokora ense ya Kenya anemono asense media yo borendi gose korenda ense ya Kenya tuya ni gateba baria barachi gweta ni go baramanyiwe bene mapema asense mwende ni gabure semo yo bwera ni bwa mangana ko ba maiso na boigo komanya ba Kenya kerikira abege kogendera kirengaki.
Candidates must exercise absolute honesty in presenting their identification documents and academic certificates. Rigorous verification will be conducted at every recruitment center in partnership with the Kenya National Examination Council, the National Police Service, and anyone found with forged documentation will face prosecution, not to mention instant disqualification. Beyond recruitment, identified potential recruits will undergo further processing and shall remain subject to continuous vetting throughout training and service in order to uphold the honor and trust vested in our military. All successful candidates shall be notified at the recruitment centers at the end of the exercise, and further instructions shall also be provided on the next steps. And just to join the Vice Chief of Defense Forces in stating that anything done before or after the stipulated timeline is out of step or illegal. Finally, I call upon the media to work with us in this exercise, to be vigilant watchdogs, expose malpractices, and continue sensitizing the public against fraud. Working in close partnership, we will safeguard and defend the fairness and credibility of this national recruitment, because a defense force built on integrity is the strongest shield for our nation. I also thank the media for their vital role in keeping the public accurately informed. To the youth of Kenya,
Mugavana wa kaunti ya Mombasa Omoske Abdul Swamad Sharif Nasir ni gatogire gitambukiro gikiama kiria gia ODM gosoime ya serikali yobomo gose broad based government ukwana kuronyali meye kaunti ya Mombasa. Nasir ni gerete buna no bari meye serikali yobomo na ni gobarure ensemo yo kwamerere serikali asimya kerebosyo ni gikiama gia ODM kiraso ime kerosi ya serikali yura bege kora nchi ya Kenya.
Na nikiwaambia maneno haya, hii nchi ilikuwa inaenda kuungua. Wananyali, nisikizeni. Baada hii nchi ilikuwa inaenda kuungua, kuna baadhi ya watu wengine wakatufuata kama ODM, wakatuambia sisi tuko ndani ya hii serikali, lakini tunataka na nyinyi mupige ngoma zaidi kwa wafuasi wenu, nchi izidi kuungua, ili Ruto akae kando tuweze kuchukua sisi mamlaka. Tukakaa tukajiuliza, yani sisi wana ODM tukubali nchi iweze kuungua kwa sababu ya matakwa ya watu wachache, matakwa ya watu ambao kwamba ni wakabila, matakwa ya watu ambao kwamba wenye tamaa? Tukawaambia hakuna nchi kuungua, ni bora tusaidiane, gurudumu liendelee mpaka mwaka 2027. Katika shari ikazaliwa kheri. Na mimi nawaambia sasa, kama deputy party leader wa ODM, msimamo wetu, we are in the broad based government, ndani jambo ambalo kwamba tumeliidhinisha katika Central Committee na all organs of the party. Na ikifika mwaka 2027 mambo mawili yatafanyika. 2020 na elections zinafanywa Agosti. Ikifika September mambo mawili yatakuwa. Either we are going to be in government or we are going to be government. Lakini ODM has refused. We will never be in the opposition.
Magiga yomunyakiro gobwekia magia kanu Omoske Gideon Moi gosoya ase serikali ya broad based igento keirere abarai au bari meye serikali komotogia nigo moseneta we kaunti ya Siaya Omoske Buru Dinga nere amotogire Gideon nagoteba muraibu enseni gagenderere korenta abarai na abantu imeye serikali Buru hasense mwende niga buriri abasai gosokia na kubwata chikura.
In the broad-based government, our fear for my people, we are not claiming other people's shares. What we want is our fair share, which has always been enjoyed by other people, and we want to claim the one which was lost, and we also want to enjoy our fair share. As Kenyans, we are Kenyans, so we are not Ugandans, and we don't intend to move out of this country. And we want our fair share. Let everybody come in. Let those who are coming in, and we are not threatened by anybody coming in. In fact, it is a plus for all of us. I would like to encourage Gideon Moi to join the broad-based government. He is our friend, and we have worked with him. We have worked with his father, and we have worked very harmoniously with him before. We have no problem with him. Yes, if he is talking to Ruto, I think that is a positive thing for the unity of this country. Let us talk together and let us agree on certain principles. Let us not just agree on sharing the cake, on sharing the eating, but let us agree on certain principles in the interest of serving our people better. I think our country is moving towards the right direction, because as it is, our country is preparing for the 2027 elections. We are preparing well. What I don't like, and I must plead with our people, is the registration of voters. Registration of voters is very slow, and I would like to plead with our people to register in large numbers, because that is the only way you can change a government. That is the only way you can change leadership. That is the only way you can create a quality government. And if you don't register, don't forever shut up forever. Never raise your voice again if you don't want to register. Yes, so I would like to advise my fellow Gen Zs that this is the time for them to come up in large numbers and register.
Nara yokoro Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yobwenge ibere nanye cyo butko rero na asenchira yobwekera ntorburi yoro byatumana n'itwere ange.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale iyuerengia na woigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bago kolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na woigo cho tebererie kende kensi uraganie bago tebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingencho au ayuare ye chikala au na woigo ayuiga bwate Proval net gauges au unamono mbabwata normal corrugated na wigo box corrugated asimigo babwata Boomerang ayuari ayechi gauge emeronge tato asama bati alia ayechi gauge emeronge bire na isaro na isato mbabwata tile provals alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwata lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na wigo web design mabati ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia charcoal gray, brick red, tile red, maroon, sky blue na wigo na green ubutambe bwe mabati liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganyagwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochkunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yo akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na wigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumucyo y'ubusongo iyo irange neduka ya Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakeresi mgwetrase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.